Mate.
Hey, Dom, how are you, man?
Good, good. I just wanted to pick your brains regarding the lovely Julie.
Well, all right.
I mean, I'm taking her out tomorrow to that bistro over the road.
No, she said, she seems really keen.
Great.
Yeah, she was even asking what your surname was.
Sorry.
See if it sounds right with Julie. Julie Pooley. I don't know. She must be keen because it didn't put her off.
Well, we've not even had our first date yet, so...
Yeah, I know, man. I keep saying to her, I said, Jules, don't go running off with yourself again, okay? But you know how Julie, when she gets her mind set on something, that is it.
I see.
Sophie, could you go and sort out stock, please, in the bank? Like now, please. Thank you.
You should really be ashamed of yourself.
Thank you, and have a nice day now.
Thank you.
This new biscuit seems to be selling rather well, don't you think? All right. Okay. I shouldn't have done it.
What are you going to do about it?
What am I going to do? What do you want me to do about it?
I want you to ring him and I want you to tell him that you was lying.
What, and come across like a total nerd?
Dev, you are a total nerd. Can you imagine poor Julie sitting there waiting and he don't even turn up?
Yeah, okay, well, maybe with a bit of luck. Okay, she might not turn up.
Why? What are you planning?
I've been on a date for ages. I don't know whether I'm nervous or excited.
Oh, I think that's the same thing, really. Just depends whether you're glass half full or glass half empty type of girl.
Oh, what a lovely thought. There's a lot of wisdom in you, Sophie Webster.
I don't know about that. There you go.
Morning.
Hi. Julie's just been telling me about this date she's going on with your friend. Apparently she's got you to thank for it.
Oh, well, you know, I really wouldn't thank me till after the date.
How do you mean?
Well, you know, just in case it doesn't work out. Dominic's been through a really bitter divorce.
Which he's clearly ready to move on from, or they wouldn't be going out.
Yeah. But who knows what something like that can do to a man. Baked beans not come?
No, not yet.
Bye then.
Bye, Juliet, and good luck.
Oh, and Julie, don't mention the divorce.
Well, you've obviously got a problem, ain't you, with this date? So why don't you just come clean instead of sticking the knife in?
I'm not sticking a knife in. You're being ridiculous.
Oh, whatever, Dev. Tell someone that believes you. Do you know, straight people sometimes... Score one to the straights.